What's up, everybody? Welcome back to L channel. Benny here. Hope you guys are having a good day, because I know I am. But anyways, right now I'm headed to Harbor Freight to return the circular saws that I had bought. So the ones I used, those were other ones. So I had bought these because I wasn't sure if I had some, and sure enough I had some. So I'm going to return those. Gonna probably maybe hit up a different store just to pick up some stuff, so that way I'm not you know, have everything ready to go. But I'm gonna be I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna be doing today, but I know I'm gonna be fixing a couple things here and there that I know I need to get fixed. Like for instance, the battery thing, I have not fixed that. I've been slacking on it, only because it does turn on, but it still does have that issue where sometimes it doesn't turn on. So other than that, yeah, I'm going to pick up some just some stuff to get everything like just ready, and I'm gonna put everything together and whatnot. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright, you guys, so I got, oh look who decided to. Alright guys, so I got the spacers. I kind of got everything I needed. I got the spacers that I bought online, so they're just password JDM. Hopefully they give a little bit more of a clearance. Also Jamie's here to help me out. Say hello to the camera, make the intro like you said you were.
It's too late.
Okay, so she's gonna help me hold this up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put those on. But yeah. Alright you guys, so I put on the spacers. This is how they're looking like. Yes, they're password JDM, whatever, they're cheap, nothing really, just to help me get some space on these. But I'm gonna close this to show y'all how much I get. So with these spacers on, it closes perfectly fine. Obviously they're hood spacers, so it's spacing the hood, but this is barely hitting like the inside I used to hit, so I might not need to cut anymore. I'm gonna need to cut more of this though, round it out more, but other than that, the hood is closed securely. Does get kind of ugly when it opens, only because of the pipes, but whew, like I said, I need to cut those more out. So, but other than that, I think we're good on that. We're good on that. Good. All right, so I got the hood back off. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this down with some like degreaser. And then I'm gonna wash it off, clean it off, and then spray all this black. And then we're gonna add the trimming, maybe add the something right here for the fencing shit, whatnot, or the. And then this, I'm gonna cut it up a little bit more. Well, 101 instructional video. We're gonna show how to replace a tire right now.
Dude, I really hope I'm not.
Psych, huh? Oh, bro, you're having on your whoa, hey, you're giving a free show. Oh my god. Alright guys, we're back in the office. So I went ahead and I finished up with the hood. Well, I really didn't finish up with it. I sprayed it down. I still need more. I let it settle for right now because I sprayed it a lot. And so I let it settle, and then it just got late and it's getting dark, so I can't finish spraying it, so I'm gonna do that tomorrow. But I did spray down these cut spacers. As you know, it had this on it. Whenever you can really see it. But anyways, it is the password JDM stuff. I kind of try to black them out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put my own shit on here. You know how I gotta do that, like always. So yeah, I mean, other than the ugly ass, they look better now. You know, the password JDM whatever. We got that right now. Sorry about that, you guys. Now unless you give me a sponsorship, it's coming off. So I'm coming out with a new design for the shirts. It's right here. Woo! This thing is gonna be popping. It's gonna be like a pocket tee design. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the first one. Show you guys a little example. You know what I'm talking about? Oh, and another thing, we're gonna get new sweaters. Jamie has hers on right now. Jamie, hello. Say hello to the people. Oh, you were in the vlog earlier. Oh, you guys probably saw it earlier. Can we get a little? Just look at that. Yeah. So this is we're gonna have that one in black, pink, and like a golden kind of color, but not the same lettering. The lettering's gonna be based on the sweater, except for this one. This one's gonna be white on white, but it's really dope. You're gonna go ahead and check those out too. I don't know when we're gonna put those up, but we'll put them up soon. Here it is. Here it is. It doesn't actually, it doesn't look too bad. So the thing with this is I place it myself, so it's really sketchy on getting the placement of this. But I mean, look at that, eh? Not bad. Here, can you like... It's nice, actually. So there it is. Look at that. Not too bad, eh? I mean, shit. You guys, I got these stickers. I just made these. I got another one over here that I need to make, but I got these dope ass stickers right here. Go ahead and check them out online in the online store. Links down below, but these are dope. Also, don't forget to check out our Instagram. Cool little known fact about me. I sew. I know how to sew. Yeah. Don't get at me. Don't at me. I know how to do this shit. Look at that. Coming out. Hella good. Look at that. Yeah. Hold on. That looks nice right there. You know what I'm talking about. I did these ones over here too. Yeah. Get him.
Alright, you guys. Well, anyways, thank you guys for watching. It's Benny here. Don't forget to check out the links down below to check out the shop. Other than that, anything you gotta say, Jamie?
No, bye.
See you later. Peace.